Hi guys, so this is a video tutorial on how to use Calert, a full screen notification system which works with your browser. Preferably, you should be using your Chrome browser. So basically, the idea is that whenever your Google event is hit, you get a full screen notification to let you know that you have to move on to this task or you have to join this meeting. So basically, the idea is that you miss out on the small notifications that go on the right corner or maybe on the phone. So since you'll be working during the day, the idea is to make sure that whenever such notifications come, you are able to see on that screen that you're using while working. So I'll just move on to show you how to install it. I'll just share my screen. So yeah, my screen should be visible. So over here, yeah, the Cloud Smart Calendar notification. It's available as a Chrome extension, and the link to the Chrome extension is within the description. So you'll just have to easily go to Add to Chrome, Add extension. Okay, and now we'll just have to sign up. Just pin it. Make sure that you pin it so that it's always there. Sign in is done. Calendars have been loaded. Enable the monitoring. And one thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to create one calendar right now to experiment. Further, what I will do is I will make sure that it is grabbing it. Alert is here, and I will do this for, let's do it for 1:54 p.m. Okay, so you can also add this Google Meet link. Okay, so next would be that I would just want to make sure that we are able to test it properly. So this will happen automatically. So for the purpose of the demo, I've just made sure that it's just pushed right now. The calendars are loaded. So the good practice is that you already have your meetings created, and yeah, it will just port it over. The extension will take it up. So imagine you're doing something, any task you're doing right now. Maybe you're doing your research, maybe you're doing end task, or maybe you're just hyper fixated on maybe doing a coding task, busy in the back end, just editing video for so long that you're forgetting about the second video, or maybe you're forgetting about the third video that you have to work on. So, and yeah, in that, just that way you will get a full notification. And if it's a video meeting that you have to join, if the video link is added, then you can go and join. And it has various applications, like you can use it pretty much on any screen which can support Chrome or a browser. So that's the point of Calert over here, and it will work with your, let's say, Google Calendar is in itself very powerful. That it works with it works with Calendly, it works with your various appointment systems like cal.com. So what is recommended a workflow that can be done by a lot of people is, suppose you're professional, you're managing your clients, your patients. So what can be done in that case is, your patients are scheduling appointments with you, and you could be having a screen on your in your reception or somewhere, and whenever the time is there for that patient to come, it will flash on the screen. So in that way you can manage your schedules better, and also give a good feel in the office also. Whosoever has to come during that time, or who has to be given attention at that time, even by you. So this would be really helpful in that capacity. And for students also, they can, so in coming days I can give you tutorials about how you can basically create your calendar. You can have your Excel, you create a calendar that you're going to want to follow from Monday to Friday, and different schedule that you want to follow from Saturday, Sunday. And we can basically make it work in such a way that in chat gpt we feed the data, the ICS file is given to you, and you can import that file into your Google Calendar. And whenever again, so Google Calendar will have it updated as events, and whenever that event time is hit, this notification will come, a full screen notification will come. So most of our education, whatever material we're going through, even as a student, you'll be going through YouTube videos, or you'll be studying, going through PDF doc or blogs. So during that time, a full screen notification during your surfing time will come and show you that this is the task that you're supposed to do. This is what you had scheduled yourself to do. So even managers can use it. And also, so it's ultimately about managers being able to schedule tasks to you, assign tasks to you, or you can manage yourself also in this way. So it's a very powerful, especially for remote workers and students who really need to manage themselves. So it's just an extra layer to just help you manage yourself and your time better. So yeah, pretty much that's it. So if you have any concerns and questions, you can just hit me in the comments and I will get back to you. And if you have any ideas, any feedback, please, you can share that also in the comment, and please subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of apps that I have to develop, and definitely your feedback is would be most valuable. Like, I will definitely, the approach that I want to take is that I actively am working towards feedback of subscribers. So right now, there are no limiters. I'm keeping it in alpha stage, and you can just go, even if you want to support, I will just share my screen how you can support. So if you want to support, um, over here in the button right now, monitoring active, I have the support the developer over here button. You can just click on it, and you can see there are various plans. So as of now, we have not set any, or there are no limits as such. And as it's mentioned over here, we are actively testing, and some features may not be perfect, but we are continually working on your feedbacks to help me create this platform for you, make better, get better over time. Okay. And yeah, you can just fill in your details. We are able to take like commonly accepted methods. Even Bitcoin is there. And yeah, most of the methods are accepted. So yeah, depending on whatever you'll select. So ultimately, right now, it's just for the support. And yeah, your feedback is definitely would be valued the most. So yeah. So thank you for tuning in. Thank you for getting to know Calert better, and looking forward to your feedback, and looking forward to your support as well. Thank you.